I do think she will be a remarkable addition to the court for a remarkable period of time. In the next 35 years, the country is going to confront questions that we cannot even begin to fathom now. They will be questions of a sort that will challenge the usual divisions between right and left, liberal and conservative, all of the stereotype packaging, and someone of genuine wisdom and brilliance, thoughtfulness and humor, with the depth of commitment to the rule of law that Elena Kagan has, I think is going to make a remarkable contribution. And the questions that people ask about whether she will nudge Tony Kennedy a little this way or a little that way are, I think, sort of miss the mark. I spoke to Justice Kennedy at the White House also yesterday, and I was sort of pumping Elena up before him and saying, you'll love her as a colleague. And he already had come to know and like and respect her a great deal whenever we would invite him to Harvard. But the truth is that it's not what's going to happen in the next 3 or 4 or 5 years on a few issues that will be decisive. What will really matter is the kind of contribution that her unusual take on things and her thoughtfulness and open-mindedness will make over the next 35 years. So I'm really less into the prognostication about what her presence on the court will mean to the Prop 8 case, or what it will mean to another case that might be terribly controversial and important, than in the long trajectory of what her presence on the court will mean. So I'm sorry to have missed her swearing in. There will be another formal investiture right before the first Monday in October, and I certainly will be there. And I think we can all be glad that now the court has 3 women and that they are 3 remarkable women.